Hi everyone and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is the third part of my three-part little mini series of very short cleaning videos to get you motivated, and today I'm going to be getting my kitchen nice and clean.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you, to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
This video gave you some quick motivation to get your kitchen nice and clean. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, I hope you hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell, that way you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.